In this video, you'll see the complete visa application process for the United Kingdom. First, Google UK Student Visa and click the Apply Now link and you will see Student Visa page. Scroll down and click on Start Now to begin your application. First, it'll ask where you are planning to live within the UK, so choose the correct answer. The next question is whether you have an EU or Swiss passport. Next, you need to provide the country where you will have your biometrics for the visa application. On the following page, you can click the highlighted link to view where the biometric center is available in your country. The link will redirect you to another website. Choose the country from which you are applying so that accurate information can be provided. The next step is to register your account by entering your email and setting a password. Once you register, an email will be sent to verify your identity and provide a sign-in link if you want to access your application later. It then asks if you have an additional email, answer accordingly and proceed. Now, the application requires your phone number and other related details. In the next step, you are asked how you would like to be contacted by call, SMS, or both. Choose the appropriate option and move forward. The next 3-4 steps relate to your education, such as whether you have received any scholarships, details of your CAS, and the start and end dates of your course. After this, you'll be asked for personal details, your name, gender, marital status, complete home address, details about your residence, passport, identity card, English speaking ability, and your parents' complete information. Make sure to enter everything accurately, as these details can impact the outcome of your visa decision. The form will also ask if you have any family in the UK. If yes, provide their complete details. You must also mention if you are traveling solo or with a group. Next, provide complete details of where you will be staying in the UK. If you are staying in one location only, choose No when asked about other locations. The application then asks about your visa history, such as whether you have been to the UK before, issued a visa, had a visa rejected, traveled to UK allies like Australia or the USA, or visited other countries in the last 10 years. You must also specify when you plan to come to the UK. Give complete and accurate information to avoid any miscommunication. The next section covers character questions, such as whether you have been involved in war crimes, terrorist groups, or similar activities. Based on these answers, the UK government will determine your character suitability. You will then be required to provide more details related to your cars, including your sponsor license number, their address, town, details of your institution, and course. Answer all of these correctly. Next, you'll be asked for financial details such as your accommodation costs, how you can prove them, your total course fees, and whether you have paid any part of it. If you have taken a student loan, you will also need to provide its details. The form then asks you to show proof that you can cover your course and living expenses. Choose the option that best fits your case. Lastly, you'll be asked if you want to add any further details before finishing the application. After adding any extra details, you will receive a summary of the entire form. Go through it carefully, make any changes if needed, and then click Continue. You will also need to provide proof of sufficient funds for your education, such as your bank name and details of how the funds will be shown. After this, you will be given a checklist of mandatory documents. Make sure to tick them all and bring them along for your appointment. Review your answers before moving forward. Next, you must agree to certain conditions according to UK law. Finally, you will have to make a declaration before completing the form. At this stage, you need to pay your NHS fee. The immigration health surcharge is a fee that many visa applicants in the UK must pay to access the National Health Service. Now pay the UK visa application fee. And download its confirmation as well. On the last page of the application, download the document checklist, check if you require a TB test. Also, download a copy of your application form by clicking the highlighted link and click the option to proceed with appointment booking. You will then be redirected to the appointment booking website. Scroll down, choose your desired location, and press Continue. An appointment calendar will open. Choose the date that suits you best and proceed. At this stage, you can select from a variety of services such as upload assistance, premium lounge, etc., and then press Continue. Enter your phone number, agree to the terms, and proceed to payment. Once payment is completed, download the appointment confirmation. This is the complete process for booking your UK visa and appointment.